So let's talk about suppliers inside AutoDS. Here you have the AutoDS marketplace. And on the marketplace, you have all of the suppliers that you can work with. Here on the right side, you see where it says suppliers. I can click on that. And here I have a list of suppliers that AutoDS supports. So it's pretty much the same ones that we saw here on AutoDS's website. So if I click on supplier, I can see AliExpress and Amazon and DHgate and all of these retailers slash wholesalers that we just saw. But let's say I don't want to see products that are coming from them. Let's say I want to work with private suppliers. So here I have an option called AutoDS suppliers. And if I click on that, then I'll only see products that are related to AutoDS private suppliers. And the cool thing about these private suppliers is they're also selling really trending products. They know what works well in the dropshipping scene. So you can also use them to do your product research and look for trending products. So I'm seeing a lot of these gun massagers. I'm seeing this cat feeder. So this is all really cool. And these are all trending products. So if you're looking at my doc file here with the products that I want to list, I already listed the volcano humidifier. It already sold, so I'm happy about that. Let's just put that in yellow so I know that I won't need to list it again. So let's say now I need to list my next product, which is the 3D painted book coffee mug. So I have the listing here on Amazon, but I want to look for a supplier first, and I also need to set up my shipping settings. So in order to do that, I need to understand who my suppliers are. So I did find this on the AutoDS marketplace, so that could be my supplier. So I could simply list it from here, and it'll just make my life so much easier. I can list it from AliExpress. So I can list it directly from AutoDS, but in this case, this variation seems to no longer be available. So if it was available, I could just click a button right here and I could import it directly to my store. In this case, I'm just going to list it from AliExpress while the AutoDS system looks for a supplier that does have this in stock, and then the item will be available. So whether you're doing it from inside the marketplace or outside from AliExpress or from your external supplier's website, it doesn't matter that much. We will be able to source and look for a better supplier once we have the product inside AutoDS. So I'm going to get to all of that, but let's continue talking about the suppliers. So back to the marketplace, I'm going to go to this drop down here. I'm going to click on AutoDS suppliers, and I can search for a product. So let's search for, let's say, magnetic gym bag, because I already know that the 3D coffee mug is out of stock on the marketplace. Let's search for this one right here. So let's say this is one of the products you did your product research on and you want to add it to your store. In order to add it to your store, you have to know who your supplier is going to be. So right now you're looking for a supplier. And here in the AutoDS private suppliers hub, I can look for that product so I could source it from here. But because I'm not importing the products yet, I'm going to wait on this. But right now, I just want you to understand how the private suppliers works on AutoDS. So if once again on the marketplace, you look for AutoDS suppliers, here you can see a whole bunch of private suppliers. And here you see it says customizable branding, and it's also coming from the AutoDS warehouse. So AutoDS also has a warehouse in China. It ships really quickly from there. Most products usually arrive within a week to the US. And there's a lot of trending products there because AutoDS just has a full database with thousands and thousands of trending products and more products that are being uploaded and added all the time. So here you have a whole bunch of products, and you can also use customizable branding. So the AutoDS warehouse has a whole bunch of trending products. You also have other sellers here like this seller right here, and you have another seller here called Yada Life and Jackson Quinn. So here you can see a whole bunch of different private suppliers that you can work with. But what does that actually mean? Why work with a private supplier and not a retailer? Well, for one, private suppliers want to work with dropshippers such as yourselves. A lot of retailers kind of frown upon it. For example, if you open up a buyer account on Home Depot because you want to use Home Depot as your supplier for your Amazon store, and you start getting orders on your products that you uploaded from Home Depot to Amazon. So now you need to fulfill those orders. So you're going to Home Depot, you're purchasing the products using your personal buyer account, and you're shipping it to a whole bunch of multiple addresses. At some point, Home Depot, the retailer, could lock your buyer account and say, hey, I know that you're drop shipping and this platform is not really made for that. So you can't really continue doing this. Okay. You can continue purchasing products and sending it to multiple addresses. So why does Home Depot and other retailers exist as dropshipping suppliers, even though some of them kind of frown upon you having a buyer account and shipping to multiple locations and dropshipping and using them as a supplier? So the reason why they still exist is because you can still do it. There are workarounds. You can open up multiple accounts and use VPNs between them. And you can also use the Fulfilled by AutoDS service, which I'll talk about soon, which means all the orders will be automatically sent out using AutoDS's buyer account, so you don't really need to worry about any of that. But on the other hand, you have private suppliers, and this solves all of these issues because you don't really need to worry about any of that. You import a product from a private supplier, you get an order, you fulfill the order automatically, and everything works very smoothly and cleanly. You also have a lot of trending products from private suppliers, and they are tailored to work with dropshippers such as yourselves. So they're not going to try to sell you products that you will sell in your store that you're not allowed to sell as a dropshipper. They're not a retailer. They know how dropshipping works. So you also have customizable branding, as I mentioned. What this means is if you sell a product here that has the customizable branding on it, that means that every time you sell this product and you ship it out to your customer, it can be sent out with your logo next to it. So you add your logo right here where it says add now. And if you didn't create a logo, you can just create a free one on places like Hatchful. And once you have your logo, you add it here and you have a sale for this product and it gets shipped out using automatic orders. It will be shipped out with your logo, which is great because usually as a dropshipper, you cannot brand your products if you're sending them out one by one from your supplier, because your supplier is going to say, hey, if you want me to send it with your logo next to it, then order these products to your inventory and I'll print it out. But it doesn't really make sense for them financially to print it out one by one and they're holding all the inventory and you're not committing to any minimum order quantity. So all in all, I highly recommend working with private dropshipping suppliers and also using the sourcing function on AutoDS. I'm going to show you how that works soon. But right now, I want you to understand the suppliers that you can work with, the differences between them, and how it all comes down to play once you choose which suppliers you want to work with. Now remember, each supplier has different policies. So if I go back to the AutoDS platform, and let's say I clicked on this gun massager over here, and I can see the info here. So this one ships from China. So this means that when I create a warehouse location, I'm going to have to create a China warehouse location. I'm going to walk you through all of that soon. How much shipping costs? So in this case, it's $0. By the way, even if shipping would have cost money, I'm going to show you on AutoDS how you can add your shipping price to your source price so you will still offer free shipping to your buyers and maintain your desired profit margin. So even if you're paying for shipping, I'm going to show you how to round it in your source price. So shipping here is $0. It ships from China. Shipping and processing time is about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. It's going to be shorter than that, but we're always going to take the maximum. So you got some product information, but here you've got the policy. So here, for example, we can see that returns are not allowed for this product. Now, that is just one quick example. Okay, if you open up other suppliers, let's go again to AutoDS private suppliers. Let's go to another one. So there's this Yada Life supplier right here selling this beach chair. Okay, so we got all the product information here. Everything is nice. This one ships from US and also from Canada. And as you can see, shipping to the US costs another $10. That's going to be rounded up into our source price. But the important thing to see here is it ships really quickly. So this is 2 to 4 business days, really fast delivery. And here in the policy, but this private supplier here does allow returns within 14 days. Now, another cool thing when working with private suppliers is that you can also send them messages. So first of all, this product, you can import it easily to your store. Just click here on import draft. First, of course, you have to find another listing on Amazon. As you saw when we were doing our product research and we were finding products, you need to find a product where you can enter the buy box. So let's say you found this chair, you can enter the buy box. Now you're looking for a supplier. You can click here on import draft and it'll import to your store. We still didn't start importing yet, but just so you know, the option exists here. You can also message the supplier, which is a huge, huge advantage that you will have when working with private suppliers. So here you can write your message. Hi, I want to work with you. What are your return options, even though you know the answer, but let's just say you want to ask some kind of a question, you can do that here. It opens up a chat between you and the supplier will get back to you. So this means that you can build relationships with private suppliers, which you cannot do with retailers and wholesalers. So this is a huge advantage that you have when working with private suppliers.